we've got just a few days left in Lisbon, so we're actually spending 2 days going to 2 different beaches, and so today we are in Cascais.
So we just got off this train that's behind us. It was probably like a 40-minute train ride from Lisbon to Cascais, and we're excited to explore.
Yeah, it was really nice. The train just goes right down the coast, and you pretty much have water views almost the whole way here. It's kind of crazy.
It was beautiful. Definitely sit on the water view side, just to get prettier views.
Yeah, but you can see there's not a cloud in the sky. It's like 65, 66 degrees, and the sun's out, so it should be a really nice day. So you get to enjoy the beach and see this beach town today.
Woohoo! We'll take you along.
We're here!
Here we are at Praia do Cascais. I'm making that up. Praia means beach. But we just made a little pit stop for sunscreen because I'm so pale. And hopefully we'll get to enjoy the sand and the water a little bit.
Yeah, look at that. You see the town on the other side of the water there? It just goes on and on. This is only a small portion of the beach. We're going to try to walk down to the larger one. Mm-hmm. So
maybe we'll find some cute history for you on the way. So supposedly too, like Cascais used to be a little tiny fishing village, and that's kind of what it originally was. And then after a while, it kind of became the summer destination for royalty and the very affluent society of Lisbon. So the like royal family vacations here, and it has been built up to be like a ton more vacation homes, and it's much fancier than it used to be, but it's stunning.
We'll show you around. The street.
This is really cute.
What trash? Cigarette butts. So supposedly today, you're supposed to see the like 5 planets lined up with the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, like right after sun. Like I think they said it was like 20 or 30 minutes after sunset.
Look, this one's huge. I've never seen them so big. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, supposedly you're supposed to be able to see like Mars, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, and like Venus all in a line today.
Looks like the Tower of Cascais is right behind us. It's like an original fort.
Just showed up on our little walk. Look at this. Look at these rocks.
It's so crazy looking.
Some paddleboarders out there. Water can't be too cold.
It's so perfectly close back home too.
Hopefully I'll get some good drone footage.
We needed a little pick-me-up and something warm because it's chilly now.
Yeah, the water out there is cold. It's probably the coldest water I've ever swam in. We had a good dinner. And I had the coffee and tea and a backstage thing. This time I got a bolo de Berlin. It's pretty much like a donut with custard in it. It's also delicious.
And we're in this really cute little bakery, Sapolina. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it's real cute. We wish it was closer to our house.
You're supposed to be able to see a bunch of planets today below the moon when the sun sets, so we're going to hang out for that, and then we're headed back to our place for an early night.
Tomorrow's another big day, and we're really excited about it, so we got to make sure we rest up. First, snacks. So we are ending our day in Cascais. We had a great day walking around. The town's pretty flat, so it was like easy to get anywhere we wanted, and which was a really nice break from being in Lisbon. We spent some time at the beach, which we didn't really film, but it was just a little relaxing time in the sun, which was much needed because it's been cold. And now it's cold again because the sun's down.
Yeah, the sun's set, so now it's really starting to get cool, and we did not dress for that.
No. But we had a wonderful, wonderful dinner at a hamburger place, Hamburguesa do Bairro, I think.
Sure.
It was like the neighborhood hamburger. And then had a little hot tea and a snacks. And now we are just waiting for the sun to set because
We're supposed to be able to see a few planets today by the moon. I don't see any yet.
but we're
We'll
hoping.
see.
I think it's like Mars and Venus.
Yeah, it's Mars, Venus, Jupiter, and Neptune, or Uranus. There's 5 of them. I don't know, 5
Yeah.
planets.
But I think we can only see 3 of them, and the other 2 aren't visible to the naked eye. So we'll update you later.